Your home deserves the best. That's why we created Pella fiberglass sliding patio doors. Made from the strongest materials for patio doors, Pella Impervia products offer clean, minimalistic sightlines with more glass. Their durable frames have a low-maintenance powder coat finish that will never need repainted. Our fiberglass patio doors feature the lowest standard sill design in the industry, helping reduce tripping hazards, and enhanced security features for your peace of mind. The standard multi-point lock and secure secondary vent lock surpass maximum industry requirements when the door is closed and locked with both engaged. It is also able to withstand 500 pounds of opening force in the vent lock position. Personalize these doors to your home with versatile design elements, such as expansive sizes, blinds between the glass, and popular colors, including black. Pella Impervia sliding patio doors, engineered for lasting durability with sleek, timeless design.